Goss has been an iconic Australian automotive aftermarket parts supplier since 1943. Our priority is to offer the automotive aftermarket a true genuine alternative and exceptional customer service. If you've just diagnosed an ignition coil fault and want a cost-effective and long-lasting repair, then it's time to look at Goss. With over 95% of vehicle parts covered, Goss has an extensive range of ignition coils to suit your needs. Our ignition coils are a genuine alternative, sourced from leading original equipment and aftermarket suppliers. Goss ignition coils meet, and in many cases exceed OE quality, backed by warranty and thoroughly tested at our high-tech lab, ensuring peace of mind for repairers and vehicle owners alike. Remember, when you want to perform a reliable, effective repair, ask for Goss coils by name, the genuine alternative.